Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video is mag-unbox tayo ng pot from Shopee. Ayan. Pot from Shopee. Cash on delivery. 2 pots po yung order ko. So, it costs much nga ba ito? I-check ko na lang yung price niya. Kalimutan ko na kasi nung isang araw pa ito dumating. So, mura lang naman siya. Check nyo na lang sa description kung magkano. So, ayan guys, unboxing natin. Color white po yung order ko. So, tingnan natin kung let's see if color white nga. Ayan. So, para lagyan ko ng money tree. Ayan. Ating pots. Oh, ang ganda. Ang laki guys. Ayan, ang laki. Diba? Ang laki. Madilim naman yung aking video. So, ayan guys. One piece. 1, 2. Tapos 1, itong lapad na yung diameter. Ito yung diameter. Yung height niya ay 1, 2. Ayan. Tapos, ito pa yung isa. Ayan, guys. Another one. So, ayan ang loob niya, oh. Ayan. Meron din akong biniling long soil. So, ayan, guys. Magtatanim na tayo. Propagate ng money tree. So, here po yung aking ginamit na loam soil. You can check on the description. And then, ayan, I start repotting of the money plant tree. So, it is called a lucky plant all the time. Even whatever year, it is considered as one of the lucky plant or lucky money tree. Video pag may time. So, ayan na guys, ang ating money plant. Ayan na guys, ang ganda niya. Pupunasan lang natin ang kanyang dahon para siya ay magmukhang malinis. Ayan guys. So, easy lang mag-propagate. Pinutol ko lang yung sanga. Cut the stem and then transfer to other pot. I use loam soil. Ayan guys. Ito yung bagong dahon niya. So, beautiful money tree. So, ayan guys. Thank you for watching.